नाम है तुम्हारा?
मनीष राय।
मनीष राय।
हाँ।
कौन सा क्लास में पढ़ते हो?
मैं
वन में पढ़ते हो। स्कूल कहाँ है तुम्हारा?
स्कूल सिसने।
सिसने? कहाँ है वो? उस तरफ?
हाँ, ऊपर।
ऊपर? ओ, तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है?
मेरा घर ऊपर है।
ऊपर है। ये कैमरा है, छोटा सा कैमरा।
कैसे कैमरा? कैसा?
हाँ देखो।
Good morning guys, I'm at Padamchen at this homestay and I got up at 6:30, which is a surprise to me myself. And here the nature, and I don't know what magic it has, it always got me up before time in fact. And today we have a very laid back plan. Today we will be going to a monastery and a waterfall and we'll be relaxing, because yesterday we covered the major tourist attractions and it was a lot of fun. So today we want to chill a bit, we want to actually enjoy it as a holiday. So this is the traditional style of homestay in East Sikkim, and this one is in Padamchen, and this is how it looks. Down there is the kitchen and the eating area, and this are the room lobby. On the left and the right there are rooms, and this is our room. It's pretty big, very sunny and very spacious, very airy. This is how the view is from here. Beautiful, mystical, and this is how the clean the washroom is, and this is a balcony also. So I'm out for a morning walk since there's nothing to do in the morning, and I'm playing with my friend here. Her name is Dadim. What are you playing?
Badminton.
Badminton? Okay. Playing alone? Padamchen, 8,000 feet above and covered in dense forest, it's a small village in the Silk Route region. Just 14 kilometers from Rongli, which you saw in day 1, and 4 kilometers from Zuluk, which you saw in day 2. And here we are taking a pleasant morning walk from the gardens and nearby area back to the homestay and doing our breakfast with my favorite Pahad Wali Maggie and its magic. I am ready and we will be leaving in some time. We are waiting for our Bhim Bhaiya, the driver. I made some good friends here. I made friends with Dadim and Pluto. It was a lot of fun, having fun time with them, playing around with them. There she is. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Had an amazing time during my stay with my favorite Dadim. I'm really gonna miss her, and you see the next clip and feel it. If you're wondering, in this series I haven't shown you a single monastery, well, it's about time. So we have reached our first spot, that is the monastery. So what is the best thing you like about visiting a monastery? For me, it is the color and the peace. Have you ever heard the Buddhist monk chant? It is a beautiful experience. If you are into Buddhism, you will even understand it better. Look what I found while I did the parikrama. Oh my god, it looks so... I don't know what to say. Just enjoy the vibe of these colorful flags and the windy, beautiful weather out there. I was totally loving it. The last 2 days have been really hectic for us, especially the second day. This day we wanted to take it very easy and walk slow, take it slowly, enjoy the vibe just like any other person would do. Being a vlogger, it sometimes gets very overwhelming, but I'm not complaining. The next spot is the Kyokhola waterfalls, which we stopped by on insistence of Bhim Bhaiya, who's our driver. And this place was beautiful because it had a waterfall and also a footbridge. I love such flaggy, colorful footbridges, and when in the hills, it is a must stop and take some pictures just like I did. If you follow me on the gram, you would know. This is a chicken thaipo, which is a giant size momo basically. Delicious. And time lapse नहीं लिया तो क्या किया खाते वक्त. Now we are going to Dalapchen, which is our 4th day stopover. And this is the road, and we found out a temple on the road, and we thought of stopping by and again visiting the temple. And I met Manish over there, whom you saw in the intro, and you will also see him in the outro. Now this is Green Lawn Homestay, where we are staying for the 4th day. That is our 3rd or 4th night. Just calculate please. And this is how it looks. It's a beautiful big bungalow, and it is very spacious, squeaky clean, and absolutely modern, and full of all amenities what you could ask for in this remote area. And this is a room. That is the way up. If someone is staying up, I'm not sure. And this is an open kitchen along with the dining area. Fantastic. One of the best homestays I've ever stayed. And this is our room. It's huge and so well lit. So this does not have the best of the view, I'm going to show you right now, but it is very well lit. A perfect room to shoot YouTube videos, I would say. And this is the bathroom, so squeaky clean. Not a good view here in this window, but on the left window it had a beautiful balcony kind of a garden. So we have reached at lunchtime at Dalapchen, and now we're gonna have some lunch. गर्मा गर्म खाना ready है. So that's lunch. Dal chawal, sabzi and anda curry. So we just finished with our lunch and we are walking and we don't know where to go. So here there is a helipad. We are trying to find that on foot, and let's see how far it is. They say that it's 15 minutes walk. So I'm all game. So right now I am at the helipad area. This was not the path of our itinerary, but we are over enthusiastic travelers, so we thought of taking a stroll nearby, and we asked the homestay person that what is there to see here. So he suggested a helipad, and we just walked over and found this, and we were ecstatic. And how? I have never been to any helipad in my life, and I was sure excited. Taking a time lapse, enjoy! And that was the end of our adventure. It was getting dark and we had to walk back to the homestay, and so we started and we reached in some time. Had our favorite snacks, that is delicious steamed momos, saw a movie which is pre-recorded in our laptop, and then after 3 hours we had our sweet dinner, also home cooked.